Today I am doing a class about aseptic preservation or processing. What is aseptic packaging or packaging? Food is sterilized outside the container and placed previously sterilized container. Food is produced outside the container and placed previously sterilized container and sealed in aseptic environment is called aseptic packaging. Second question, who received World Food Prize was pioneer of aseptic packaging? Dr. Philip Nelson received the World Food Prize in 2007, was pioneer of aseptic packaging. Then third is the term aseptic is derived from the Greek word septikos, which means the absence of putrefactive microorganisms. Septikos means absence of putrefactive microorganisms. Generally, there are two specific fields of application of aseptic packaging technology. First is packaging of pre-sterilized and sterile products. Example, milk and dairy products, puddings, desserts, fruits, vegetables, juices, soup, sauce, products with particulates, etc. are packaging of pre-sterilized and sterile products. Packaging material is pre-sterilized and the product is also sterilized. While in second is packaging of non-sterile product to avoid infection by microorganisms. Packaging of non-sterile products in a sterilized package is to avoid microorganisms. For example, fermented dairy products like yogurt. Then packaging materials. Lightweight, low cost such as paper and flexible and semi-rigid plastic materials can be used. Sterilization process HTST for aseptic packaging is thermally efficient and gives high quality and nutritive to products. That is the methodology for aseptic processing. First is sterilization of the product before filling. Second is sterilization of packaging materials or containers or enclosures. Third is sterilization of aseptic installations before operation. Fourth is conventional process, that is flow aseptic process. Fifth is maintaining sterility in this total system during operation, that is sterilization of all media entering the system like air, gases and sterile water. Sixth is production of hermetic packages. It is designed to achieve commercial stability, is based on the principles of thermal bacteriology and integrated effect of time temperature treatment on spores of microorganisms. Pre-sterilization of a product usually consists of heating the product to the desired high temperature, ultra high temperature, maintaining this temperature for a given period in order to achieve the desired degree of sterility with the subsequent cooling, usually to ambient temperature and sometimes to a elevated temperature to achieve right viscosity for filling. Sterilization agents. First, heat, chemicals, radiation, etc. are used as sterilization agents. First is heat. Heat was used as a sterilant for aseptic system as a natural extension of thermal processing. Product supply lines and fillers are commonly sterilized by moist heat in the form of hot water or saturated steam under pressure. Product supply lines and fillers are commonly sterilized by moist heat in the form of hot water or saturated steam under pressure. Dry heat sterilization or superheated steam or hot air may be used to sterilize equipments. Systems employing moist heat are frequently sterilized at temperatures ranging from 121 degrees Celsius to 129 degrees Celsius, while 176 degrees Celsius to 232 degrees Celsius is used for sterilization by dry heat. For moist heat, the temperature is 121 degrees Celsius to 129, while for dry heat is 176 degrees Celsius to 232 degrees Celsius. Sterilization of air by incineration usually is conducted at temperatures ranging from 260 degrees Celsius to 315 degrees Celsius. The chemicals, especially hydrogen peroxide is mainly used as a chemical sterilant. Other chemicals used as the sterilants for acid foods include various acids, ethanol, ethylene oxide and peracetic acid. Hydrogen peroxide is not efficient sporicide when used at room temperature, and sporicidal activity increases with increasing temperature. When high temperature hydrogen peroxide is very efficient, while at room temperature it is not working properly. Most aseptic packaging systems use hydrogen peroxide at concentration 30 to 35% and steriline for packaging material followed by hot air 60 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius. Then radiation. Gamma radiation has been used for decades to decontaminate packaging materials. A dose approximately 1.5 megaradians is commonly used to decontaminate containers for acid and acidified foods. UVC light has been used to decontaminate food contact surfaces. UVC light has been also used to decontaminate the food contact surfaces. The low penetration and problems associated with the shadowing limit the use of UVC for aseptic systems packaging of low acid foods. Sometimes low penetration related some problems associated with the shadowing. Means it is an phenomena affected by this radiation and limit the use of UVC for aseptic system packaging of low acid foods. Then filling. Product filling was done in sterilization temperature. It flows into a holding tube. Tube provides the required residence time at the sterilization temperature. Then the D-reactor is used to remove air, as most products and which are aseptically processed must be de-aerated prior to packaging. The de-aerator generally consists of a vessel in which the product is exposed to vacuum on a continuous flow. The sterilized product is accumulated in a aseptic surge tank prior to packaging. The valve system that connects the surge tank between the end of the cooling section and the packaging system allows the processor to carry out the processing and the packaging functions are more or less independently. The product is pumped into the surge tank and is removed by maintaining a positive pressure in the tank with sterile air or other sterile gas. The positive pressure must be monitored and controlled to protect the tank from contamination. Types of aseptic bags or consumer packages. First is carton boxes. Some of the existing aseptic carton boxes may now be filled with particulates, also aseptically. Then bags and pouches. Three-sided sealed pouch is suitable also for aseptic packaging and particulates up to a particle size of 12 mu and bag sizes from 1 to 5 liters. Then cups and trays. Then bottles and jars etc. are used for aseptic bags. Metal cans. The door system is able to apply cans from steel and aluminum for aseptic filling. The existing slit filter, however, limits application to liquids with very small particles such as rice. Then fruit juice in Tetra Pak with and without spin cap. Then plastic cans. This otherwise called gourmet cans. Then cans with the lids with the easy opening feature consist of PP and EVOH or PP. These are sterilized with hydrogen peroxide, UV radiation and heat sealed inductively. The can is presently offered for liquids only, for example coffee. Then composite cans. They may be present not be filled with the particulate food but only with the fruit juice with the long fibers. As some latest methods for sterilization of products include microwaves, electrical resistance heating, high voltage discharge, ultra high pressure etc. These are used for sterilization in aseptic packaging. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and stay safe.